Oh, why, hello there. Cheers. My name's Steven. I'm an explorer, billionaire. If you couldn't tell from the bow tie, that means I'm a billionaire. Alright, I need your help. Apparently, there's a whole bunch of you that found extinct animal DNA in Spring Lake Park. My lifelong dream since seeing Jurassic Park has been to create the next island full of dinosaurs. Or extinct animals, depending on what DNA you found. That's been my dream as a billionaire, explorer. I have wanted to start the next Jurassic Park, but I have been scouring the planet, traveling all over the place, Antarctica, Europe, Brooklyn Park, I don't know, Madagascar, looking for extinct animal DNA. And I have yet to find anything. Not a very good explorer. But I am a billionaire, and I am willing to buy your DNA from you. But I'd also like a business partner. So, here's what you need to do. You need to convince me, Steven, the billionaire, that I should invest in you. That I need to have you as a partner for the next Jurassic World. Oh, wait, that's trademarked? Oh, the next Extinction Adventure. That doesn't sound very good? Yeah, you're right. Make extinction cool. Yeah, we'll work on the title, whatever. All right. Your job is to convince me with a 10 to 12 slide PowerPoint using 3 animal DNA that you found. All right? It can be any extinct animal DNA. One of them has to be about a dinosaur. Triceratops, Stegosaurus, Ankylosaurus, Triceratops. Did I just say Triceratops? I meant T-Rex. That's Tyrannosaurus Rex to you. You could even do an Archaeopteryx. You could do a pterodactyl. I don't care. Whatever DNA you found, convince me that I should partner with you, all right? I need a little bit of background on the logistics. How does this work? We found DNA. Now what do we do? You know, I just like the movie. I know what they did in the movie. That's pretty cool. How do we do this? I'm just a billionaire. I don't know how the genetics work. You have to help me with that, all right? All right. So, couple things. We've got our 3 extinct species. All right, good. I need some background on how do we replicate these cells, this DNA, and these cells in order to create our extinct species. I need some background, okay? All right, next thing is, you gotta convince me we're not gonna have a repeat of Jurassic Park. Should we do it? Can we do it? That's what I need to know, okay? Next thing is this something that nature, you know, if we have another Jurassic Park incident on our hands, is this something nature can take care of on its own? So I'm not at fault, you're not at fault, Spring Lake Park High School isn't at fault, all right? Is nature powerful enough to destroy these animals again if something happens? Okay, 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 all right. And the last thing is this the right thing to do? Is this just me being a billionaire? Or, you know, can we make this thing happen? All right. And then after you're done, this is just for you. I want you to reflect on DNA, extinction. What do we do next? What might happen in the next 100 years if we go through another extinction event? I don't know. We lose another 20 species in the next year. What do we do? Okay. Yeah. All right. Okay. All right. Good. Good. All right, this has been 5 minutes. I'm your host, Steven, the explorer, billionaire, and I want you to be my Jurassic business partner.